This video gives a quick tutorial on how to install the Look2 inventory software. It shows how quick it is to get going on a single PC. You can also set it up to work with multiple workstations, with all of them simultaneously sharing a common database. That more advanced setup is the subject of a different tutorial. Before you begin, make sure you have the 64-bit version of both Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Access fully activated on your computer. Nonprofits can get amazing deals on Microsoft licenses at TechSoup.org. Be sure to select a license that includes Access. Alternatively, you can download a free runtime version of Access directly from Microsoft, but know that it does have limitations, and a full license is preferred for at least one of your PCs. We'll be following the steps detailed in the Look2 Inventory Quick Setup Guide, which you can use as a reference. Before starting, right-click on your desktop, select Display Settings, and make sure it's set to the required 100% scale and 1920 by 1080 or by 1200 resolution. You should have received an email with a link to download the software. Enter your install code, click the Submit button, and if this is a brand new installation, select the Inventory Complete link to download a complete new system. Once the file has been saved to your downloads, right-click on the zip file and choose Extract All from the pop-up menu. Save the files to the C:\Look2 Software Inventory directory. Go into the Resources folder and then into the Fonts folder. Right-click on each font file to install them. If more than one person will be logging into the PC, choose Show More Options and then use the Install for All Users. Go back to the Resources folder and double-click on the Set Trusted Locations.reg file. This tells Access and Excel's Trust Center settings that it's okay to run macros for the software. If prompted, click Run. Click Yes to allow changes. Then click Yes in the Are You Sure dialog. Click OK when done. You can also copy the Look2 Inventory shortcut to your desktop. Alternatively, go into the folder and double-click the file with GUI in its name. That launches the software. But before we do that, the final installation step is to map the S drive. Go up to the Inventory folder, right-click, and choose Properties. Then click the Sharing tab and click the Share button. Pick Everyone from the drop-down list and click Add. Then give them Read-Write access and click Share. When done, highlight the network path and right-click Copy. Then close the window. Scroll up to right-click on this PC and choose Map Network Drive. Select S as the drive letter and paste the path we just copied. Click Finish and close the S drive window. That's all there is to it. It's installed. Now you're ready to start inventory. Now if using the shortcut, uncheck the Always Ask box so you don't have to click Open every time you start the software. The main software screen is shown. The software is designed to run in kiosk mode. So, to exit the software, you must first log in as admin, and the password is lowercase a. And the Exit Software button then appears. There's another video tutorial on how to edit the carts and containers in Step 2, and another video on how to change the in sources and out destinations to match those of your organization. You can test the system by clicking the Manual button to enter a weight, and then click Save to see the data recorded in the database. Click the Config button to change the system settings, configure your scales communications, or switch to quantity mode, and more. Please review the Inventory User Manual for more details on software operations, reporting, and lots more.